A good year in honesty. I was really pleased with where we ended up financially, and more importantly where my team was. I've got a very young team, inexperienced in areas, but they work so hard. They're so committed to myself and so committed to the business. So where we ended up, we picked up as the year went on. We had some hard times, a few losses, but we had some major wins as well. Everyone sort of pulled together, worked really hard, got through them hard times, and then now we've come into 2019 in a really good place because of that. Something that I'd really like to highlight is Matthew Bees and Madison Stewart joined the business late 2018, so they've gone through their probation, both passed the probation, and in Matthew I've got one of the most driven individuals I've ever had work for me, and Madison's one of the most lovely young ladies you'll ever meet. She's always smiling, and she just actually picks everyone up around the office with how she is. I have people from other parts of the group, not even recruit, other part of the group, coming up to me and sort of commenting on what a wonderful person she is, and it's all well and good being a nice person. She's very good at her job as well. Madison and Matthew both have absolutely brilliant futures ahead of them with how they've started their career here, so that's been really pleasing. We've had some really good wins as well, early doors of 2019, so really excited to see where they go. A lot of the groundworks is going in at the moment, so we're feeling a lot of the pain at the moment whilst we kind of get the numbers out through the door, but again, some really exciting opportunities ahead, and I feel with the team and how hard they work, it's it could be a really good 2019 for us. My division's been predominantly blue collar, really. We're great at that, we're really strong at that, and we've started over the last sort of 6 to 12 months going more into the white collar construction markets, and as well as doing a lot more in the white collar realms of FM as well. So they're the big growth areas for me. I've got, as I say, I've got some good people in place at the moment, and really I'm looking to develop that part of the division, so I'd really like to hire some good people to work with me within construction and within FM, who can not only help me get to where I want to go and help the division to where it needs to go, but actually help those great people I've got working for me. As I say, I've got some outstanding individuals that you would, anyone in recruitment would love them to work with them, because they're so committed, and you ask them to do something or you give them a bit of training, that they take it all on board, and they work so hard to be the best they can be, and I kind of owe it to them as well to get some stronger people around them to help them develop as well, because at the moment obviously we're kind of lacking, I suppose, a little bit of leadership within the division in other areas of it. Actually, if you look at progression and development, there's no better place to be than TXM, and I know I would say that, and I work there, but it's just countless stories within the business where people have just kept on progressing through the business, and I'm looking for that, because I think if I bring someone stronger and with more experience into the division to help my more trainee levels and sort of junior consultants, if I bring someone in with a lot more experience than what they have, it's only going to develop them quicker. Built environment has got some great opportunities for people that in the marketplace now got some good experience and want to progress their career.